Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make beef biryani rice. I know I already made chicken biryani, but I want to try beef. This is the same procedure of my chicken biryani. This is all the ingredients on that. I didn't put the ingredients yet because I don't have space. I have 3 pounds of beef and cinnamon stick, ginger, and a lot of garlic. And this is cloves. I'm gonna divide that for the rice when I cook the rice. And cardamoms, and this one also will be divided. Chili powder, turmeric, and then chicken powder and ground powder, and yogurt. Use plain yogurt. Okay, let's get started. We are going to put all this here, marinate this for an hour. I'm gonna leave that then, we're gonna use it. And then we need to edit this. And the same also the garlic. You don't have to put a lot of garlic yours. You can only put like 3 or 4. Yeah, I love garlic, so I put extra on mine. Once again, I say that. And now we have to mix them up. I don't want to touch it. It goes to my nails. Alright, it's all mixed up, so we're gonna put this in the fridge. Okay, now we're going to wash the rice. I use the shower because I don't know, my faucet is not that working well. Now you wash this rice until it become clear, the water. That one I made three to 4 times. Sorry guys, my mouth it won't open that much. I'm sleepy. I haven't slept yet since when I come back from work. It's 11 already here. 11:20 a.m. So might as well cook the food for lunch before I go to bed. Okay, the rice is washed. On my rice, I put flavor on my rice. So I put chicken powder there. and one cinnamon stick, and like two or two bay leaves, and you mix it. I forgot the cardamoms and cloves. Just like 3 pieces of that, 2 pieces of that cardamoms, and mix it and put it in a rice cooker. Some of them, most of them, they only use plain rice, basmati rice. But me, I put flavor on my rice. Okay, let's put that in my rice cooker. Let's put butter there. I don't have a ghee, so I just use butter. Let's put all that there. That together. Now let's add the onion. Just let the onion like a light brown, or the rice is cooked already. You just have to, get separate for a little to garnish later. Now we'll add the meat. Heavy. We'll cook this to 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll add a little water. That way it won't stick like that one now. It's stick now. We'll add like a half a cup of water. So I added a little water, like half cup of water. Then we'll simmer this like 8 to 10 minutes until the meat is cooked. This one a little bit thick, so I don't cover it. That way it will not go into a lot of sauce. I just leave it like that. Just keep stirring it. Now you adjust your sodium, and we'll add the rice here. We usually put the rice on top of this, but I want mine mix it up. That way the flavor will even to the rice. Okay, we'll add our rice there. Oops, that's a lot of rice. Just have to mix it. Okay, turn off your heat and spread some cilantro there. It's a lot of cilantro. And you can spread also some onions on top. And that is ready to serve. Alright guys, so here is my biryani, beef biryani, Indian dish. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless you all.